Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm making a chicken and vegetable casserole. Now this is an easy to make casserole that is great to serve at potlucks, get-togethers, or anytime. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 40 ounces of frozen vegetables, and you can use whatever type of frozen vegetables you like. Today, I'm going to be using a stir-fry vegetable blend. Cook them according to package directions and then make sure to drain them. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a 9x13 baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. In a large bowl, pour in your cooked vegetables, 1½ cups of diced cooked chicken, 1 cup of chopped sweet onion, 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now stir this together until it's well combined. And then pour the mixture into your prepared baking dish. In another bowl, add 1½ cups of crumbled Ritz crackers and 1/4 to 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now stir this together well. Then sprinkle the cracker mixture over your casserole. Now just bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes. And here it is, chicken and vegetable casserole. This is a great way to use up any leftover veggies you might have. For this recipe and many more, check out the website. And 1/4 to 1/2 cup of melted butter, depending on how buttery. Oh, buttery.